Quiz on Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs. First question. According to Maslow's theory, which of the following is considered a growth need? Options നോക്കാം. A. Love and belongingness. B. Esteem needs. C. Safety needs. D. Self-actualization. ആൻസേഴ്സ് വീഡിയോയുടെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഭാഗത്ത് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Second question. A student comes to school without having breakfast and is unable to focus on the lesson. Which level of Maslow's hierarchy is being neglected here? Options. A. Self-esteem needs. B. Physiological needs. C. Belongingness needs. D. Safety needs. Third one. Which school program most directly addresses the physiological level of Maslow's hierarchy? Options. A. Midday meal scheme. B. Awards ceremonies. C. Group projects. D. Anti-bullying campaigns. Correct option നോക്കുക. Fourth one. In the context of a classroom, a teacher who creates a supportive and non-threatening environment is primarily helping students satisfy their options. Physiological needs. B. Self-actualization. C. Safety needs. D. Cognitive needs. Options നന്നായി നോക്കുക. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ 5. What is the primary motivation for deficiency needs? Option. The lack of something essential. B. Social prestige. C. A peak experience. D. The desire to improve skills. According to Maslow, what must happen before a student can feel a sense of self-esteem? Options. A. They must have their lower level needs, അതായത് ഫിസിയോളജിക്കൽ സേഫ്റ്റി ബിലോങ്ങിങ് നീഡ്സ് ആദ്യം സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. ബി. ദേ മസ്റ്റ് റീച്ച് സെൽഫ് ആക്ച്വലൈസേഷൻ. സി. ദേ മസ്റ്റ് റിസീവ് എ ഫോമൽ അവാർഡ്. ഡി. ദേ മസ്റ്റ് വർക്ക് ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻ്റ്ലി. A student who is frequently bullied by peers is likely to struggle with which level of Maslow's hierarchy? Options. Physiological needs. B. Cognitive needs. C. Self-actualization. D. Love and belongingness. Next question. Abraham Maslow is associated with which school of psychology? Options. A. Structuralism. B. Behaviorism. C. Psychoanalysis. D. Humanism. Ninth one. Which of the following describes self-actualization? Options. A. Gaining approval from teachers. B. Desire for social status. C. Realization of one's full potential. D. Freedom from physical pain. 10th one. How can a teacher best apply Maslow's theory to improve student learning? Options. A. By using strict punishment to maintain order. B. By ensuring students' basic and emotional needs are met first. C. By increasing the difficulty of all assignments. D. By focusing strictly on academic excellence.